Okay, so I just read about this Polystate library for building finite state machines in Zig, and it's seriously blowing my mind.
Right? The idea of composable state machines is genius. Like, it's all about combining states in a type-safe way.
Exactly. So you can build complex behaviors by just nesting simpler states. It's like Lego for programmers.
Totally. And how it ensures correctness at the type level. That's such a game changer. It's about preventing bugs before they happen.
I love that. Imagine coding and knowing the possibilities of errors are minimized because it's baked right into the type system.
Right? But here's what's wild. It can automatically generate state diagrams from your code.
Wait, seriously? So you mean you write your state logic and then it visualizes the flow for you?
Yes, you just define the behaviors at a high level and the library takes care of the diagramming. Super intuitive.
That's amazing. It's like having a built-in project manager guiding your logic. Super helpful for understanding complex systems.
Exactly, and it's all about redefining program behavior through declarations, which just feels so clean.
How do I explain this? It's like instead of constants, you're using types to dictate behavior.
Exactly. And it encourages you to think about state as a composition of various types, which revitalizes how you approach programming.
Right. I'm trying to picture this. It's almost like every state you define is a puzzle piece that fits into a bigger picture.
Yes, and you can actually achieve semantic-level code reuse through type composition. That's a huge revelation.
This means you can streamline your code significantly. It's like trim off all the unnecessary fluff.
Totally. And with that conciseness, you also get correctness and safety. It feels like a 3-in-1 solution.
And just think about debugging. More concise code means easier debugging. You have fewer places to look.
This clarity is huge. So these concepts actually facilitate better comprehension for anyone involved in a project.
For sure. And I've noticed how it really breaks down the implementation of different states clearly. It almost feels guided.
Exactly. Take that simple ATM example where it checks a pin with 3 attempts. That's smart use of state logic.
Oh, wow, it does that by composing states. That's so cool. It makes sure security rules are embedded directly in the logic.
Yes, that's the beauty of it. Instead of fighting with your code, you're working with it to get the desired results.
Exactly. It's like you're designing flows that just naturally lead to the security you'd want built in.
And let's not forget about the selection semantics in Raylib. That's a prime example of how you build meaningful interactions.
Oh, right. Those interactive selection states really highlight how nesting states can create clarity in user choices.
Totally. It's elegant how they manage complex logic cleanly. You get user responses without cluttering the code.
Honestly, seeing how they reuse the selection logic in multiple places, that really showcases the power of composability.
Exactly, and it reduces redundancy. You define it once and can deploy it everywhere you need it.
That's brilliant. It sounds like this library is not just a tool, but a whole new framework on how to think about programming.
Yes, it turns traditional programming paradigms on their heads, making it more intuitive and approachable.
This is actually making me rethink how I design my own projects. It's really inspiring.
Me too. I find it fascinating that with Polystate you can express such complex behaviors so succinctly.
I'm so excited to try this out. Where do we even start with implementing Polystate in our own projects?
Great question. It starts with a straightforward installation, and from there, it's all about defining your states.
I can't wait. This feels like a huge leap toward more efficient and enjoyable programming.
Absolutely. Just think, with every project you tackle using this, you'll be translating ideas into cleaner, safer code.
That clarity is so key. But I wonder how it'll handle larger, more complex applications in the long run.
Good point. But given how it promotes simplicity and correctness, I think it'll handle complexity just fine.
True. And as we dig deeper, I have a feeling we'll uncover even more features and efficiencies.
Yes, the more you explore, the more insights you'll get. It's all about being curious and diving into the unknown.
So, to wrap this up, Polystate isn't just a tool, it's like a new philosophy for building robust software.
Exactly. And it's revolutionizing how we think about state management, making it fun and logical.
Wow, I'm ready to explore more. Can't wait to see where this leads us.
Same here. Here's to creating better code with Polystate and seeing how far we can take it.